We grew up in a time where instant food became an important part of our lives. We are dependent on them. However, eating instant food can be a hassle sometimes. We have to heat water, microwave them, cook them, and many more steps that contradict the word instant. But have you ever wondered if there is something that would instantly heat our instant food without actually having to heat water, using microwaves, cook them, and many more steps? Well, believe it or not, that is what we will be tackling today.
We're living in a modern world where almost every moment there are new discoveries and inventions made by remarkable people all around the world. Discoveries and inventions that have had a profound impact on our health and daily life. Discoveries and inventions such as ideas and hypotheses, as well as facts, events, processes, causes, and qualities. These discoveries can be used to invent, and our innovations may lead to more discoveries, allowing us to create other inventions, increase the rate of survival of humanity, and improve our way of living.
This is our objectives for today. A pleasant day, everyone. I'm Vilchi Kamamot, a microbiologist. As a microbiologist, we study microscopic organisms that cause infections, including viruses, bacteria, algae, and fungi. A microbiologist is someone who plans in food security, isolates, and study bacteria and other microorganisms in order for future improvement of future products.
I am Ashley Casino, a chemical engineer.
I am Hilary Pagtalunan. Just like Miss Casino, I'm a chemical engineer, which means I work on modifying a substance's chemical, biological, and physical condition in order to transform it into something different, such as producing plastic out of oil. I work in the food and beverage sector of the industry, which encompasses a wide range of activities.
I am Alred Edieska, a toxicologist. A toxicologist is someone who carries out laboratory and field studies to assess the possible risks and harmful effects of the studied substances, taking into account the potential implications of future technology such as digital tools. I am someone who helps in avoiding injury from chemicals and manages accidental exposures of both humans and the environment. I help manage risks of chemical pose depending on different exposure scenarios.
I am Samantong, a food chemist, and I work in laboratories, offices, farms, and in food processing plants, coming up with the new food sources as well as ways to preserve natural foods while keeping them healthy, flavorful, and safe to eat.
I am Renzo Quijano, an analytical chemist. An analytical chemist is a person who conducts basic laboratory research, perform process and product development, design instruments using analytical analysis, teach or work in marketing and law. Analytical chemists use a range of methods to investigate the chemical composition of substances. They identify and understand the substance and how it behaves in different conditions.
And I am Justin Yap. The same with Renzo, I am an analytical chemist.
We are Group 2 Amihan, and we are here to share our knowledge in chemistry, more specifically in thermochemistry.
Chemistry is seen at any time and anywhere. We may not notice it, but it is definitely around us, lingering and happening in our surroundings. In every waking moment, from the formation of dew in early morning, the fragrant aroma of mom's or dad's cooking, the conversion of the food we have eaten to energy, into the need of rest to recover energy during nighttime. They all involve chemistry.
For our product that involves chemistry, it would be the Flameless Ration heater, which provides the ability to eat a hot meal in any difficult location, assisting in the preservation and protection of food.
The Flameless Ration heater is a water-activated, self-contained exothermic chemical heater. It's usually included with MREs or meals ready to eat, and the heater specifications call for it to raise the temperature. It's compact, light, and portable, and the magnesium iron and salt-based chemical pad is easily disposable.
With our team's chosen product to showcase, the Flameless Ration Heater or FRH, we are capable of producing food faster because the product is capable of both the transfer of heat energy and the capability to produce it for cooking the easy-to-cook rations.
The process on how the heating goes is quite simple and quite easy to do as well. Our researchers have conducted research and studied about that, and they have said that in order to activate the reaction, a small amount of water is added and the boiling point of water is quickly reached as the exothermic reaction proceeds. Its chemical equation would be magnesium plus water yields magnesium hydroxide plus hydrogen plus heat, or Mg plus 2 moles of H2O yields MgOH2 plus H2 plus heat.
And now on to some more chemistry details of this. The characteristics of thermochemistry is also present in this product. Thermochemistry is the study of heat, more specifically, heat energy, that is then expressed and associated with chemical reactions with the melting point and boiling point of a compound. And one more thing, heat can be expressed in either an exothermic process, where it involves any process giving off heat, or an endothermic process, the opposite of the exothermic process, where heat has to be supplied to the system.
Going back to the chemical formula which you see in your screens right now, it is noticeable that heat has suddenly appeared in the equation, despite it not being present in its reactants. But actually, heat is being produced the moment magnesium interacts with water. This happens even within room temperature, though research has shown it cannot react with cold water. So from that, we could observe that heat is being created and is being given off, especially when we start cooking the easy-to-cook food with the FRH. And this makes it an exothermic process. These flameless ration heaters are also used in Japan in their self-heating bento boxes.
This MRE product is something that was developed for the military on fieldwork. It is amazing how we got to have this sort of easy-to-cook meal that was originally invented for troops. And according to the milkkitsupply.com entitled MRE History, that quote-unquote MRE's meals ready to eat have improved drastically since their first field use in 1983, the beginning of the MRE history. The improved nutrition and taste are a result of the combined and continued effort of the US military and Department of Defense. So it's been produced already for a very long time and continually improved.
It is also important to notice our easy to cook food nowadays, the ones where you just have to apply hot water from a thermos on, could be noodles, soup, oatmeal, or something similar. They may have also taken inspiration from food rations as well. The reasons as to why I made the point is that chemistry is not just something that chemists use or us as students learn. It is present and it is actually being used and really benefits everyone. Not only the military but even regular citizens. One way to say it is, chemistry is everywhere.
As you can see, chemistry is everything. If it wasn't for thermochemistry, this product would not exist. Without thermochemistry, the military would not have had this luxury of a product aiding them in their works. And it isn't just this product, of course. There are millions of products out there that were invented because of chemistry. Products that solve our daily problems and improve the quality of our lives. With that, we hope that our presentation has helped you become more aware of the presence of chemistry in our lives and the importance of chemistry. And as you continue on with your day and experience your surroundings, may you be reminded that chemistry is everything. Thank you, and have a pleasant day to all.